What's up, y'all? It's your boy King.
And it's your boy Caden.
All day. So we was at the store, and I decided to get all blue stuff.
And I decided to get all red stuff.
So we got slime liquor, toxic waste drinks. I got the blue raspberry soda.
I got the strawberry, and we also got this. I don't know what
It's like
what, Italian ice.
Yes.
I got cherry and lemon. And then
we got some slaps. I got the
these.
blue kind.
I don't know.
The red kind.
I don't know how these taste, but they might taste good.
Good or bad, I don't know. And so we were just back here, and then we're gonna tell y'all about ourselves and tell y'all if this stuff is good or bad.
And who gonna win against the Chiefs and the Ravens game?
Yeah.
My Chiefs gonna win.
Hey, and AJ, I gotta ask you a question.
What?
How you feel about the Ravens? The Texans losing?
Shut up.
You was talking all that smack.
Shut
Which
up.
one you? Let's open. I'm gonna open these while you doing that. Let's see. Oh! No, I'm not gonna try it yet. Where's yours?
Yeah. I don't like this.
You don't like it?
It got.
Hey, can I think this gonna work.
Oh!
Oh! It worked!
Oh! That's crazy.
I bet y'all didn't know that. Okay,
I think
so
everybody knew that.
so I'm gonna try mine now. I'm gonna see how it tastes.
This, it got too much tahini on it.
It's tahini on it?
Yes, this one got too much tahini.
Wait, is mine open? Oh. Yeah. Wait. Oh. It's stuck. It's stuck.
This soda,
Ew.
this soda is good.
It's nasty. Let me try soda. Cheers. Even though you already drunk it. Oh, wait, I'm gonna try yours. Ah,
Told you it got too much
it's
tahini.
stuck in my teeth. I'm gonna try soda. After we get done trying this stuff, we're gonna see who can drink the most soda without making a sour face.
No, without burping.
Wait, I lost my spoon. Oh! I'm gonna just use mine.
And you cheated,
How?
because you already wasted some of your soda.
You drunk half of yours?
Shut up, no I didn't. It look good.
It's good.
I lost my spoon.
Oh, I'm gonna get up real quick. Oh, my spoon right here.
It's good.
Where's the other spoon at? Oh, here.
Oh! This is making my teeth cold.
I remember that one time. Okay. But I feel like the Ravens gonna beat the Chiefs. I feel like in the Super Bowl, it's gonna be the Ravens versus the Detroit Lions. I don't think the 49ers can beat the Lions because the 49ers haven't been playing that good this season. Ever since they played
Akeem,
What?
you hopping from team to team. At first, when the season started, you was going for the 49ers
Yeah,
every
because-
single time they played.
Yeah, because
now
they
you
kept
want to
winning.
go for the Ravens.
Because they
Now
got
you
six.
want to go for the Ravens and the stupid Detroit Lions.
I saw the Chiefs. I mean, that's why the what's his name? The Texans.
Shut up.
Oh, and I think the game is today too.
Yeah, it started at 3 o'clock.
Dang. I'm mad.
I really want to smack you with this because this car slaps. Ah! Lucky, let's swap.
Yeah, let's swap. Let's swap. Wait, did you pour the soda in yours?
Yes. Pour your soda. Ah! Ooh. Here.
Mine's better than yours. I don't want this. Why you pour so much in my stuff? Oh.
It's good with the soda. So,
Let's finish drinking this.
yeah, let's waste.
3, 2, 1. Something got in my throat. Hey! Alright. Ah! Let's go, baby! And you got a head start. I'm built different.
How about throw this at your head?
You better not. Hey, let's. You want to actually do a race down and back? Okay. So, we'll see y'all next time. Peace.